I always see people talking about children being picky eater. I never knew I was going to have one. Would I even say one? Oh my goodness. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. And if you're a new subscriber and if you're just passing, just hit on the subscription button, like the video, put on your notification bell. Okay, guys. Yeah, my kids are one of the picky. Will I call them picky eaters? Oh, this morning they wanted to have oat cereal. I said, okay, let's go ahead because yeah, they love this one. But you see, this particular meal called jollof rice. I thought that kids enjoy eating jollof rice. Not mine, not at all, not at all. My
Chimamanda,
people enjoy
you will
the
take
rest
this
of
one,
the
right?
video.
Why?
Is this green? She want the green.
Can you imagine? This color is for ladies, right? Why are you not going for it? You want green. This is what is always happening anytime that she wants to eat. She will want her bib. Instead of her to take this one, she'll be going for the brother one. Eh? Someone like take the one that you want. Come and take your own. Take your own now.
Pink.
Oh my goodness, I beg.
I don't know my name.
Show some maga. No, take your food, Jerry. Oats. Oh yeah, eat. Let me. See your plate. Let me see. He cleared the plate to oats.
Mommy, chicken. Do you mix the hand wipe and hand feet? Yes, not oil. Crazy.
But that was in North America. It's been a while that America recovered fire. Oh, yeah. Immense thing.
see. Please. The pasta. I and then like this. Like this. Oh, I don't.
So this is going to be extremely interesting. I think most people assume, and you never know. Obviously, a lot of things happen. Carlos played 5 sets first round. Looks like he's going to fall over. So, but I think a lot of people, including myself,
Something toxic
assumed that
holding
was going
on
to
to me
be
for dear
Sinner
life.
Alcaraz. All I thought joking that this was more of a fight.
But Sinner.
But he's won 5 in a row. I think Alcaraz. I
We
think.
didn't usually resist to hide. Said you and me and was all that I needed not to die.
The day on there, and it is the last